Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shri Demla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Take another deep breath in and let go. Breathe in from your nose, breathe out from your mouth. Be totally present with your body. Just take your awareness to your body right from the top of your head, all the way down to the tips of your toes. Expand, connect with the energy of the universe, connect with the energy of the Mother Earth, and today let's call upon all your spirit guides. We all have a team of guides with us. They can be our ancestors, they can be our ascended masters like Sai Baba or Guru Nanak Dev Ji. They can be the gods and goddesses of the culture you are in, or maybe from your previous lifetimes. They can be your angels, your guardian angels, your archangels, the other angels that are all around us to contribute to us, or they can be even our power animals. Let's expand and allow all the teammates, all the spirit guides to just show up. And today, allow yourself to release everything that is not contributing to you anymore, that you're now ready to let go of, to start your journey, to go to the next level. To be able to get what you're asking for, to get what you are seeking. Imagine a shaft of white light coming from the universe all the way to the top of your head, and from your crown chakra, slowly and gradually moving through every cell of your body, and your body releasing all the energy blockages, cellular memories out of the body and surrendering it to your spirit guides. Allow your body to release all the energy blockages around money, all the energy blockages around joy, all the belief systems that are not contributing to you anymore. Everywhere you learned you have to work hard to have money. Allow that to just release out of your space. Everything that was done to you or you chose in this life or any other lifetime, across all time, space, dimensions, and realities, that stops you from being the being you are, from accessing your true talents, capacities, potencies, and capabilities, and putting them into action and receiving abundance of prosperity and wealth in your life with total ease. Allow it all to release. Allow the angels, your spirit guide, to just gift you with the awareness of what your real powers are, and for you to have ease with using them for evolving, for growing your own life, and for contributing to many, many, many more. Do not focus on little problems of people around you. You cannot solve their problems. Just surrender them to the angels. Let the angels take care of them. Focus on your life. You are valuable. Focus on yourself. How can you make yourself a better person today? How can you be a better version of yourself today? That is all that is in your control. You cannot control other people. They will choose what they will choose. You cannot change it for them. So just focus on yourself. Take care of yourself. There are things you always wanted to do and you gave them up for others. Today, make a list of all of them. And what if you don't have to fight for it now? What if you can just ask your angels, hey angels, what will it take for me to just do this with ease? What will it take for me to learn something that you always wanted to learn? Travel someplace you always wanted to travel? Be someone you always wanted to do? Maybe start the business you wanted to start or profession you wanted to start? What if your reality has already changed? What if now you don't have to fight? What if you just have to choose and take action? Ask, allow, and receive. So right now, ask whatever you would like to ask from your guides and allow yourself to receive. gratitude to the guides. Don't worry about how will it happen, when will it happen. Let the universe take its own divine time. Just know that once you have asked for something, universe is already on its way. You just have to make sure about not thinking about it and trusting the universe that it is coming. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Put your attention to your physical body. Thank your angels, thank your guide. You can rub your palm and put them on your eyes. Alright. Very slowly and gradually you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax. And just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Sri Demla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.